Okay, so this is Zadie, and this is me, and this is us. And we are at Build-A-Bear. Here is our bear, and then we got little outfits for each other. So Zadie, this is how Zadie's outfits usually look like, and then mine is black on black because it's me. But we're about to get our bear stuff right over there. Super cute. And then when we go to college, we'll just have like a little piece of each other with each other. So yeah. Alright guys, so now we are going to, oh my gosh, my eye bags. Now we're going to put our voice in the bear, and we're just going to say something a little cute you see at the end of the video. You have to press buy.
Oh yeah, you're right. Can you help me scan it? Oh wait, how do I?
Just put it underneath.
Hi Nausicaa, it's your best friend Zadie. I just wanted to let you know that I love you so much. You're my favorite person in the world, and I don't know what I would be able to do without you in this world. I don't really know what else to say, but don't forget about me when you're in college. Just know that I'm gonna be watching you in your sleep. That's all. Love you so much. Hi Nausicaa, it's your best friend Zadie. I just wanted to let you know that I love you so much.
Test it. I got mine too, but I forgot to record it. Alright guys, so this is the stuffing machine. We're about to get them stuffed.
If you're ready, you're going to go ahead and step down on the pedal for
Oh,
me.
I'm stepping on it?
Yes.
Okay.
You keep your foot down. You're gonna give this guy a squeeze.
Zadie's stepping on it now. We need the other bear to like. Okay.
Ready? Yes. So what I need you guys to do is we gotta make this our nice and warm. Stop it there, okay? I'm happy. Give me a quick spin to this. Touch your toes, you just stretch it behind the skies. Show you one quick thing. Pull your heart close to your chest, close your eyes, and the big wish comes through. As soon as you're done, take your arms a big kiss. Put them inside.
Wait, put in the right thing, right?
That one is the one that...
She gave.
Yes. Here's the sound. Is the sound the same?
Yeah. Hearts in, guys. No changing table. Come here. No changing table. Put on your clothes. So this is me, guys. This is how I'm usually dressed up. In a black basic tee. Why is his ass so big? Why is his head so big? Wait, maybe I should put a button. It's a her.
Her, I mean, yeah, my bad.
Mine is her. Dude, I dress like a guy.
I dress like a guy. Alright, I think this is...
Where are my pants? Where are my pants? Where are my pants? Where did I put my pants? Got the pants, guys.
I feel like I'm dressing a baby.
Me too.
We kind of
This
are.
is how your sister feels.
Except she moves when she's dressing her.
Why is his butt not going in?
His?
Her butt not going in. Alright, babe.
Why is the zipper not going?
This is, dude, this is so me. Not even kidding right
The zipper's not going up. Can you help
now.
me?
This is my baby, I'll dress. Classic black.
There we go.
Close yours. Alright guys, this is me, this is Nausicaa.
This is Zadie.
And then we're just gonna switch each other later. But first we gotta do the little birth certificate. Alright, so we're gonna go to that station right now. Here's the video of my baby getting her birth certificate right now. Please pick up your birth certificate at Take Me Home. Okay, so now it's Zadie's turn. Not me, always forgetting to freaking do my stuff.
Oh.
Furry friend's name. What's your name?
Zany.
Zadie. Okay. First person, yes. First name,
Zadie, right?
yes.
Again.
Date of birth. Yeah, today is December 28th, not 2005 though. The gift, yes. First name, that's me, Nausicaa. Next. 2005. She's got fast fingers.
That's
Okay,
good.
everything's all set. That's a birth certificate. I'm gonna print that. We love parties. Is that an ad?